Hi everyone! Today we are going to make an amazing croissant in no time with just a couple of ingredients. You will love it because it's super quick to make and perfect with tea or coffee. Let's get started. Roll out your puff pastry dough. First, roll out the dough with a rolling pin and trim the edges to help it puff up. Cut the dough vertically, then cut each rectangle diagonally. Now spread melted chocolate or Nutella on the dough and roll it up. You can also use chocolate chips by placing them at the end of the dough and then roll it up. Mix 4 tablespoons of milk with 1 egg and brush it over the croissants. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes. I hope you make and enjoy it with your loved ones. Hi, today I'm excited to share a fantastic Turkish appetizer called kozalak manti, which is so amazing and filling that it can easily serve as a full meal. You can make it as finger food or in a more traditional style. To start, grill the eggplants on the stove or in the oven. Once grilled, peel the eggplants and finely chop them. Then mix the chopped eggplants with yogurt, 2 cloves of minced garlic, salt, and black pepper, and set aside. Grate or finely chop the onion and saute in the little oil. Add the ground beef to the pan, then mix in the spices. Pul biber, it's optional, turmeric, salt, red pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. When the beef changes color, add the finely chopped parsley and mix well. Once the meat is cooked, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and combine thoroughly. Your meat mixtures is now ready. Next, take a sheet of yufka dough. To prevent the other sheets from drying out, cover them with a damp cloth. Cut the yufka sheet in half with scissors. Using a straw, roll the half sheet into a cone shape. Wet the end of the dough and press it to seal the cone. Then fry the rolls you made in a pan with a little oil. Fry each side until golden brown. Now I will show you how to serve it both as a finger food and in a traditional style. First, spread the eggplant mixture in your serving dishes and smooth the surface. Then place the meat mixture in the center of eggplant mixture. Then arrange the yufka rolls around the edges of the dish according to your preference. For finger food, you can place a single yufka roll in each serving. Our delicious appetizer is now ready. I hope you make it and enjoy it with your loved ones. Hi! The only ice cream I crave all year round is this unique and delicious traditional saffron ice cream. The combination of ice cream with saffron, creme, and pistachios truly tastes heavenly. Interestingly, it's quite easy to make and the ingredients are readily available. Let's get started. First, chop 40 grams of pistachios and set them aside. For the frozen creme chunks used in the ice cream, I use traditional creme, but you can use breakfast creme as well. Place the creme in a freezer bag or Ziploc bag, spread it out and freeze until solid. To make the traditional saffron ice cream, you need these materials. 1 liter milk, 300 grams sugar, 1 tablespoon syrup available at spice shops or confectionery stores, 200 grams breakfast cream, 3 tablespoons thick broad saffron, 1/3 cup rose water, 200 grams traditional creme or breakfast creme for adding to the ice cream, 40 grams pistachios. First, mix the salep with the sugar until well combined. Gradually add this mixture to the cold milk in stages, stirring well each time. Place the milk mixture on the stove and heat it, stirring constantly to dissolve the sugar and salep completely. Make sure the salep doesn't dump. The milk doesn't need to come to a boil. Once the sugar and salep are dissolved, pour some of the ice cream mixture into the breakfast cream and mix well. Then add this back into the main ice cream mixture and stir for 3 minutes. Add the rose water and saffron to a mixture and stir for another 2 minutes. Again, there's no need to the milk to boil. Turn off the heat, pour the ice cream mixture into a metal container and let it cool to room temperature. Then transfer it to the freezer. Every 2 hours, take the container out of the freezer and stir the mixture well to prevent it from becoming icy and to achieve a smooth ice cream texture. I did it 5 times. After the 5th time, chop the frozen cream from the freezer bag and add it along with the pistachios to the ice cream mixture. Transfer the mixture to a plastic or glass container and let it rest in a freezer for another 8 hours. Your ice cream is ready. Serve it in any dish you like. I hope you make it and enjoy it with your loved ones. Hey everyone! Today we are going to make a delicious crispy walnut meringue cookies that melts in your mouth, and I'm sure you are going to love it. First, we are going to roast the walnuts. Place them in the oven at 180 centigrade for about 6 minutes until they are roasted and crisp. Then chop them to your desired size. Next, take 3 egg yolks that have been left at room temperature for an hour. Mix them with 100 grams of stiffed powdered sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla using a high-speed mixer for 6 minutes until the mixture becomes fluffy and light in color. The better you mix, the higher the quality of your cookies will be. Add 2 drops of cardamom essence for extra flavor, it's optional. Sift in 2 tablespoons of flour and add the chopped walnuts to the mixture. Gently fold everything together with a spatula in one direction to keep the mixture fluffy. Drop spoonfuls of the mixture onto non-stick baking paper, leaving some space between each one. If you don't have non-stick paper, make sure to grease regular baking paper first. Sprinkle some ground pistachios on top if you like. Bake the sweets in the preheated oven at 170 centigrade for about 10 to 12 minutes. And that's it. Enjoy your delicious cookies.